RF transmitter and receiver, SIM 300 and SIM 908 module, push button and LED, 16x2 LCD module, Arduino microcontroller, the Intel Atom Innovation Kit. This is the base station setup. The core of the base station is the Intel Atom Innovation Kit and the Arduino microcontroller. The Intel Atom Kit is used as a database that receives and stores all incoming SOS messages via the SIM908 module. Further, we have a 16x2 LCD display and a RF transmitter. The RF transmitter continuously transmits a predefined message sequence over 434 MHz frequency range. This message is used to determine the border condition. This is the board setup. The core of the system is the Arduino microcontroller. The entire system is powered up using a 12 volts lithium polymer battery. We have here the RF receiver that is used to determine the border condition, the push button and LED that is used to activate the distress SOS messaging system, the RGB LED and the buzzer that is used to indicate the border condition, the GPS receiver that is used to receive the latitude and longitude coordinates and display it on the 16x2 LCD display. The SIM300 module is used to send SOS message to the base station. There are two main features of our system. Feature number 1, the border determination and alerting. Feature number 2, the distress SOS messaging. The RF transmitter at the base station continuously transmits a predefined sequence of data 100. At the board, the RF receiver decodes this message. As long as it continuously gets the message in regular intervals of time, it means the boat is inside the border and the fisherman is safe. This condition is indicated by the green LED. Whenever the boat crosses the border, it means the communication fails and the transmitter stops transmitting the data. This is shown by removing the power. As soon as the power is lost, as soon as the communication is lost, we see that the red LED is activated and the buzzer is sounded. This indicates that the boat is out of border and is under danger. This is similarly indicated on the LCD display. Coming to the distress SOS messaging system. When the fisherman at sea is under distress, he only needs to push the push button on the boat for a few seconds. The blue LED will be turned off, indicating that the SOS system is activated, and the latitude and longitude coordinates is sent via SMS to the base station. It is received by the SIM908 module. Atom decodes it and is displayed on this monitor. So this tells us that the fisherman is under distress and the latitude is 13.01 degrees north and the longitude position is 77.33 degrees east. This can be used by our Navy or the Coast Guards and help the fishermen.